Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max, and in this video I will show you how to set up a proxy in the Xenon AIO Sneaker Bot. The setup is quite simple and is done directly in the fields where you set tasks. Let's get started. Run the Xenon AIO application. I must say right away that it is recommended to use a proxy if you have more than 2 or 3 tasks on the same IP. Otherwise, this is not necessary. So, in the working field under the product parameters, you see the proxy URL field. The example shows the format in which you specify the proxy. First, enter all the data on the tasks. Then enter the proxy in such format in this field. If you have free proxies, then proxy IP, proxy port. If you have a personal proxy, then type in this format: proxy IP, proxy port, username, password. Next, set all the other parameters for the task, and when everything is entered, click the Start Task button. Now the bot will use the proxy you specified when executing the task. But remember that if you use free proxies, then security is not guaranteed and questions may arise about your IP. Therefore, it is recommended to purchase a personal proxy to work with the Xenon AIO bot. There is an excellent resource for this, Proxy-Seller.com. Reliable proxies that are 100% functional and guarantee anonymity. The link will be in the description. With such proxies, work with Xenon AIO will be productive. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.